Welcome to your Unit 9 assignment tutorial. In this video, you will be given instructions to help you successfully complete your final assignment of HN144. Let's get started. To find your assignment instructions, you'll want to go to the assignment icon in your Unit 9 overview. To get there, you would go to the left side of your course home screen and double-click on the Unit 9 tab. Once in your overview, you will double-click on the assignment icon. Here you will find detailed instructions about your assignment, as well as information on submitting your assignment to Dropbox. The title of your paper is Influences of Environment on Behavior and the Family System. For this assignment, we will visit Sandra Lombardino once again and use your eco map as a foundation to write your paper. You will summarize and evaluate the influences of the environment on Sandra's behavior and family system. Instead of doing it visually as you did in your eco map, we'll now be writing about it in 8 paragraphs making up your paper. Let's go through each paragraph one by one. For your first paragraph, you will complete a history about Sandra's life to this point. A success tip would be to consider including enough detail in that paragraph that if someone hadn't read Sandra's full story, they would still have an idea of what she had been through. In your second paragraph, you'll want to explain whether Sandra is in integrity or despair as defined by Erik Erikson in his theory of psychosocial development. Explore in this paragraph how this transition crisis may be resolved by a human service professional conducting a life review with Sandra. Using Systems Eco Map, in paragraph 3, you'll describe what systems or influences are causing the most stress and negative influence on Sandra's behavior and decision making. In your fourth paragraph, you'll consider stress theory. What are some recommendations a human service professional could make to Sandra to help her cope with her trauma and stress that may help her meet her goal of a long life expectancy? For your fifth paragraph, you will be working with Sandra and asking for consent to contact her family. If she gives it, do you believe that involving her adult children would make a positive impact to her family system? Why or why not? In your sixth paragraph, you will explain what role Sandra's adult children play in helping Sandra cope with her trauma and stress. In your seventh paragraph, you will look at one human service agency that you believe could assist Sandra and her family. Explain how this agency that serves older adults could specifically help Sandra and her family with their current stressors. Lastly, in your concluding and eighth paragraph, you'll consider all that you have learned in this class, HN144. What are some best practice approaches that a human service professional could use to help a multi-generational family experiencing a negative environment? Your paper should be 8 complete paragraphs as we just went through, and this will result in about 2 to 3 pages of text. Now, this is going to be in addition to your cover page and your final reference page. You should be looking at a total of 4 to 6 pages for this assignment. Now, your paper can go over that amount, but this is a good guide for what it shouldn't go under. Your assignment is in APA format, so it should be double-spaced using a 12-point Times New Roman font. You want to make sure your final reference page includes your text and any other sources you choose to include in the paper. The only required source is your text. Make sure that you cite any outside resources to avoid plagiarism. When you're ready to submit your assignment, you'll want to go up to the Dropbox and upload your Word document to the Unit 9 assignment box. Now that you have the information you need to successfully complete your final assignment of HM144, I wish you the very best of luck. Have a great end of term.